When you need to let several people use a database at the same time, build an Access app. Access apps are web databases. They run in the cloud on most browsers, and people can use your database whenever they're connected to the internet or your corporate network. The easiest way to do that is to use a template, and you can select one when you start Access or when you click File, New. And you can tell it's an app template because of the globe icon. Click the one you want, enter a name, select a server from the list here, or enter a server name here. Just remember, these need to be SharePoint 2013 servers, or you need Office 365. Access downloads and opens the template, and to start working, click Launch App. That starts the database in your browser, and you can enter data. But remember that with an app, you have to click Save to save your data. The other thing to remember about apps is you use them in your browser, but you create and change them in Access. To do that, click Customize in Access, click Open, and the file opens in Access. You can see the ribbon is smaller than usual. It's only giving you the tools you need to work on apps. I'll open this form for editing. This is called Layout View, and make a quick change. Press Ctrl, click the labels, change their color, and align them to the right. Click Save, and that publishes your changes to the server. Now click Home and Launch App. There you go. 2 databases in minutes, and no need to change anything unless you want to.